today's video, we got some Dollar Tree signs, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's get started. Okay. I'm going to be posting, maybe I scoot a little over here so we can put some pictures right here because I can't buy them all. Some of them are just so stinking cute. But here we go. We're just going to start away. And I got some of these things last year. But this seems better on the colors this year. It seems like they're just better this year. So I might have to go and grab one of these signs and maybe I can compare last year's from this year's. Because these are just cute. Okay, I had to do a comparison. I had to dig it out. Anyways, that was my DIY from last year. And I had, tiers and they matched kind of like with this theme. But look at this. This is last year's. And I know, I'm sorry, I have scattered paint and stuff on it. And it's not that pretty. But I just love this better. It's just better. Anyways, moving on. Here we go. Looky. Isn't that stinking cute? I mean, like I said, I stacked them last year. And I think I did like a tiered, thing like that. But isn't that cute? Okay, well, anyways. You can decorate these in any way you want. I think that's all I got. If I have some more, I will throw them there. But, okay, we're going to move on to these. These are metal. So, here's the back. So, you can see they're metal. And they did spray it white, which is nice. So, it's not silvery. So, it looks finished. But the colors last year, and it's like I'm seeing the same trend. So, look at that. So, there we go. Might put it in a wreath. But, anyways, I wanted to show you that. And then look at this. Okay, they have these in different colors. Okay, this is not just the only one. I've seen one even cuter than this one, and I wish I got that one. But I will post a picture, and it might be a group picture of it. But it was so cute in the blue, and I didn't get that one, but there you go. What I like about this one is the colors again. Look at that. Here's the blue. There's the tan. This is what I'm talking about. This is stinking cute. Moving on. We're going to keep on going. I'm going to try to keep going. Ah! They're just getting better and better every year. Every year. They're just... Anyways, so I love... See... Isn't that cute? It's just so cute. These two, then these kind of go together as a theme. And I'll just put them upside down like that. But there you go. Isn't that cute? So, yeah, but there's more and I couldn't get them all. So, like I said, they'll be on the side. Smash that like button. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. This helps my videos. This helps promote my videos. So the more you like my videos and the more you watch it all the way through, helps me. So I would really, really, really appreciate it. Okay, so next I have to show you, it's just some little decor things and then we'll go into the ribbon and then we're just wrapping it up. So it's a quick haul, but it's some goodies. There's some goodies. I did make some of these last year, but why make them when you can buy them for $1? $1. They had this in blue. They had this in the orange. And they had this in the black and white. And they also had the Velcro ones. And oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I got some of these. Look. $2 or $3 at Hobby Lobby and you're getting them for $1. Look, the berry. The berries. Now these are probably not as long as Hobby Lobby because I think the Hobby Lobby ones, and I love this one. This is just so cute because I think this one and the red one more than the orange. You can use them more all year round. So then we get some extra pumpkins. Last year I got orange. This year I decided to get some white or cream colored. Got some of these in little sticks. And you can also break off the sticks and use them in different ways too. So I got some of that. I got some colored glitter. I love the fact that it has the gold, it has the copper, like the silver, it has another extra gold, and then of course like a pinky color. But I wish I had just repeated all the way through, because those to me, if you want a hint of what's going to be popular for Christmas this year, this is it. This is it. Maybe minus this color, or you could change it to red, but that's what's going to be in for Christmas right there. These colors. So a splash of gold, a splash of silver, a splash of basically all your metal colors. I think that's what's going to be in for Christmas this year. Now, I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking is going to be the in thing for Christmas this year. So if you want to decorate your tree and you want to know what to look for, you got it from Brenda's Crafting. This is what's going to be in. Ribbon. Let's go to ribbon. Oh my goodness, Dollar Tree, you keep doing it. What? Cute. Surprise truck. Yes. I can see me making definitely some cute stuff. Looky. Cute. So I got a couple of these. I love this. I used this all for Christmas last year. And it was considered fall. And I used it for Christmas. And I love this. So if you see this, I used it for Christmas. But I mean, it is just stinking cute. So yes, I love that. I got some of this, and I'm probably going to use maybe this on my one of my wreaths coming up. I also have this, of course, some more of those. And then I bought, I think just a couple, and I wish I bought more, but you know, like I said, I'm on a budget. I can't buy everything. But if I could, I would bought a little bit more. Not a lot more, maybe just a little bit more. But I got these ribbons. So, or you can go like that, so you can see them. But it's just leaves, pumpkins, and then the orange gingham right there. So I got that, and that's pretty much my ribbons. I found these jars, and the only thing that caught my eye was really the lid. But the lid is so cute, and then it's just a crafter bottle. It's plastic. So you can kind of squeeze it. It's just plasticky. But you could put your, your crafting things or whatever you run in the house. Or you can, put something in it and give it as a gift. So there you go. There's many things you can do with it. There's one more thing I want to show you. And then I'm done with this haul. And praise God I'm done with this haul, because this was a doozy. This was more than I thought. I did like 3 or 4 trips on this haul. So this is not just one store. I went several times, maybe 2 or 3 times in a couple of days. And then I just went today to get this because I'm working on a project, which you can kind of see over here. And I will hopefully do this video soon. I have a couple crafting videos I've been trying to do, but I haven't thrown the video together yet. So, and I need to paint this. So, and it's hot. It's hot in my garage. Okay, I keep moving on. I talk too much sometimes. I gotta tell myself, stop talking, stop talking. Stop talking, Brenda. Keep moving. Okay. All right. The last thing I got was I got some LED pillar candles. You can see they're the battery operated, and they do sell it at the Dollar Tree. They're these kind of batteries right there. So you need these for your tea lights or anything like that to relight them. They're great for that. But I got that for my project that's over here. And so I'm going to probably put that, and then that's your battery, and you can relight it. So I got a couple of these. It's great for Christmas time. No burning the house, no fires, safe. So that's always a good thing, especially if you have kiddos. Another thing, I was excited. This is real candles, but I'm going to try to show you some projects with these. So hopefully maybe I could add that into my next video, which I haven't finished. But anyways, maybe I could show you a one DIY with these floating candles. So here we go. These are the floating candles at the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack, and they're pretty large. 1.3 inches tall, and then they're 2 inches. It looks almost 3 inches wide or length, and then it has maybe an inch or something tall. But yes, I'm excited to show you that, and hopefully, and I will show you that in another video. But that's it for my haul, y'all. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, all my subscribers. Yes, thank you. Thank you all. Have a good day. God bless. I love y'all. Bye.